This isn't a concept, and it's not your average car. The 2026 Plymouth Road Runner Restomod is packed with raw power, modern technology, and a classic aura that will send shivers down your spine. This is the 2026 Plymouth Road Runner Restomod, a car that's not just fast, but also makes a modern muscle car. The 2026 Plymouth Road Runner Restomod design showcases an aggressive blend of classic muscle car spirit and modern futuristic aesthetics. The body silhouette retains the Road Runner's signature proportions, long, low, and wide, but is executed with much smoother, more aerodynamic lines. The front end is minimalist yet intimidating, with the closed grille typical of modern cars emphasizing technological evolution. LED accents blend into a luminous outline across the car's face, creating a powerful and instantly recognizable visual identity, especially in dark conditions. Short overhangs and a roofline that flows smoothly to the rear create an aggressive yet elegant modern coupe look. The Restomod feel is evident in the simplicity of the form, enhanced by precise modern details. The interior of this 2026 Plymouth Road Runner Restomod represents a significant leap forward from the classic muscle car. Upon entering, the first impression is clean, modern, and very premium. The dashboard is wide and horizontal, creating a solid and stable impression in keeping with the Road Runner's aggressive character. In the center of the dashboard is a large, high-resolution digital display that blends seamlessly with the instrument panel, creating a futuristic look without being overdone. The modern performance steering wheel, equipped with multifunction buttons and wrapped in premium materials, provides complete control and comfort during aggressive driving. The rear of this 2026 Plymouth Road Runner Restomod features a bold, modern interpretation of the classic muscle car's identity. The most striking element is the full-width LED taillights that stretch from left to right. This thin, integrated design creates a modern and exclusive impression, while also creating a strong visual presence at night. It offers modern performance and aids aerodynamic efficiency. There's no visible conventional exhaust note. This Plymouth Road Runner Restomod has the potential to reach $500,000, making it more than just a car, but a highly collectible piece of automotive art.